Hi everyone, I'm Vijay from PySpiders Rajajinagar. One of our students got placed now, so he'll share his experience. So can you share your experience?
I'm Deepak. I'm from Bangalore. Recently I joined the PySpiders after the completion of my graduation. I'm from Residency University, 2024 passed out student. I took Python full stack here in the PySpiders thing. For me, Rakesh sir and Vijay sir helped me with the Python. It nearly took 3 to 4 months. I had a complete knowledge on Python now, from basics to advanced. Main thing, they took the mock interviews and the presentation things. It will be helpful for us. Mainly the mock interviews mainly helpful for the students when they are attending any kind of drives in any kind of interviews. There mainly it builds a self confidence for them. Murli sir has took the SQL for me, Oracle SQL. Even he teach very well. Even we had a very good experience with the Murli sir. He nearly took 1 to 2 months to complete that course. Now I'm very good at SQL, from basic to advanced or basic to intermediate. Now I can solve any kind of query problems. And after that, for us, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, this was took by Darshan sir. There was a practical hands-on project with that. Even we built the BMW website through his teaching. We had very good experience with the Darshan sir. He teach very well for us. After that, Alex sir, he teach with the Django framework, the backend framework. Completely, we have complete knowledge. I have on Django thing from the starting only. He given a very good inputs to us. So now we are very good at Django thing also. So I would like to thank the Rakesh sir, Vijay sir, and Alex sir, and the Murli sir, and the Darshan sir for this wonderful opportunity. I can never forget this institute for this kind of very good teaching I got from here. Thank you.
Very good. Congratulations and all the best.
Thank you.